Insert and play audio sound across all slides in PowerPoint. Open up PowerPoint. Then go to Insert. Click on Audio. Choose an audio from your computer. Okay, now we have the audio in our slide. We are not done yet, because if we just leave it, it will only play on this slide alone. In order for it to play across all of the slides, go to Format. Click on Play in Background, then navigate to the Slideshow tab. Now you can play from the beginning. Or you can go to your lower right and click on Slideshow. If you want to view your slide in presenter mode, go to your lower left and click on the three dots. Then click Show Presenter View. You can always switch back to full screen whenever you like. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please like and subscribe for more.